This is a song that will teach you a lesson that Pow is better and Boo isn't, and that you should get Pow and Boo if you want to, because we can't play games together if you just get Boo. That's not fair, and that's not being sisters. So I hope you learned a lesson by this song, and please reply. I made 2 other versions, and they're horrible. This is the original version, and enjoy and learn a lesson. Boo is dead, got something better instead, which is way more wild and never go out of style. It is Pow, It is Pow, Yeah, it's Pow, Yeah, I love Pow, Boo is like Pooh, and Pow is like love. Boo costs more money, don't you see? Pow's cheaper, the stuff is cheaper. They won't get sick more easily. It's not fair that you get Boo. We can't play games together, you can see. That's not fair, and that's not being sisters. Oh yeah. Pow, better get Pow.